Ever wondered how to make an authentic German Black Forest cake, also known as Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte? First, gather all the ingredients needed for the chocolate sponge cake: 6 large eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a quarter cup of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Kickstart the process by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large bowl, whisk together the eggs, granulated sugar, and vanilla until the mixture is light and fluffy. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. Gently fold this into the egg mixture until well combined. The batter is then divided evenly between the prepared pans and baked for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, the cakes are ready. Allow them to cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then turn out onto wire racks to cool completely. While the cakes are cooling, prepare the cherries by soaking them in Kirschwasser, a type of cherry brandy. If fresh cherries are being used, add a bit of sugar to enhance the flavor. Next, whip the heavy cream, confectioners sugar, and vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. Remember to reserve some whipped cream for the final decoration. Ready for assembly? Slice each cake horizontally into 2 layers, creating 4 layers in total. Drizzle each layer with cherry juice or more Kirschwasser for an added flavor hit. Spread a layer of whipped cream over the first cake layer, then scatter a layer of soaked cherries. Repeat this process with the remaining cake layers, cream, and cherries, ending with a cake layer on top. Now comes the fun part: decorating. Cover the outside of the cake with the reserved whipped cream. If feeling creative, use a piping bag to create swirls or rosettes. Add a final touch with chocolate shavings and whole cherries on top. Before digging in, refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to meld together. The result? A delightful combination of chocolate, cherries, and cream that will transport taste buds straight to Germany. That's all for today on the Magnolia Moon channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more great recipes and soulful inspiration. Enjoy the Black Forest cake, and until next time, happy baking!